Hi there and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I'm just going to take you along with what my new plans are in the garden and just kind of as I get going and get started. I'm going to be changing out all of my plastic pots for concrete. And so I'm just taking you along as I go to Lowe's and show you what I'm looking at and what I get. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. So this has been fun. This is my first trip, well, my second trip. I was here yesterday for something, for the mums, for my front patio. But I'm excited to get some of this stuff. I'm excited to get some of this stuff switched out. My main objective right now in the garden is to start swapping out the plastic, fiberglass type of pots that I have in the back because, you know, Arizona, it's a waste of money. I basically would need to be buying these kind of pots every year, and it just doesn't seem like it makes much sense to me. So I went ahead and splurged and went ahead and bought, you know, the really nice concrete or porcelain in some cases of the pots, and I'm just really happy with it. I think it's going to be gorgeous, so I'm excited to show you what I got. But there are so many gorgeous plants coming out, so I'm excited to start getting planting. Okay, so here are the new pots that you saw in my cart. This is a concrete pot. I used to have two black kind of like urn type things, but they were falling apart. So we went ahead and I got this, took those out, got this, got two, so there's two on each side, or one on each side. Got these at Lowe's. They were $64.99. They are very heavy duty, great pots. I had a table with three different concrete pots on it. That table was falling apart, so I took that out. And so this is kind of the look of this little area, which I think will be really nice. Less is more, right? Okay, so here are the two smaller, as you can see there. They're beautiful pots, total concrete, but they're shorter. I cannot lift them, so I'm gonna have to wait for some help. But they're just absolutely gorgeous. Again, got these at Lowe's. They were $29.99. And they are gonna go in two different areas out in the garden, but I'm just loving them. This pot I moved from the front yard. I think this is gonna be, you know, just way more visible and seen back here. So this is gonna be going out in the landscape. I will show you in the next videos where that goes. Okay, so this is gonna be a new area for me. What we've had in here was always the, all of the bulbs that I put. Now I'm still going to plant bulbs in here, but I came in, we brought in 1, 2, 3, 4 hibiscus, and then these two fall-like colors that are great for landscape. I cannot think, is it a pentas? I think it's a pentas. Got those at Lowe's. I just absolutely love the color because these hibiscus are all red and a yellow and orange. So I thought this would be a great show. But right here in the middle, what I'm looking for is a big, tall pedestal type of plant or some kind of real statement piece right here. And then I will plant bulbs around and fill in our boxwood hedge and that kind of thing. But this is just going to be a start of a really beautiful little bed right here. Okay, so over here in this little, we're going right in here to the court. Now these two climbers died, so I'm going to be replanting so that we can get a nice coverage over this right here. But this is where we are. We're walking up to the court. So what we've got here is we've got, this is my lavender that needs to get cut back. And here are the trio of pots. I put one down here, one here on a stand, and one back here. So I will fill those in. This tree we added extra water to. It's not dead. We do have growth coming in, so I think I'm gonna be able to save it with some fertilizer and just do some heavy work here. But we've got that beautiful tree that I recently got in the summer. We've got back here these beautiful grasses, King Tut and a purple fountain grass. Some beautiful hedge here. These rockets, we obviously got a water problem here that I can see it, the little thing just came off. Anyhow, we've got these rocket sedums that came in here. This will need to get replanted. These beautiful pink is gorgeous. This is not where this is going. Actually, one of those smaller urns I'm going to put out here. This is going to go up on the deck as well. But I'm just going to start filling in this area with different shrubs. I'm going to put some different bulbs in here to come in at different times. And this is kind of the back of the gazebo. We've got lots of work to do in here. There's a lot of overgrown and, you know, things that just got scorched in the summer. I was excited, of course, after I needed them. Here's three new strawberry plants I'm gonna go ahead and put out in the garden. Got my aloe, actually 4 strawberry plants. So that'll be great. I'm starting to get my new packets of fertilizer from Espoma in. So I'll be, you know, putting them away over here, getting it ready to start my planting. We're getting everything ready. Okay, in here, you might have seen, if you've seen past videos, these were the plastic black urns like I had on the back patio. I had one right there and then a taller one right here and on both sides, it flanked. Again, this is full sunlight, you know, all year round. And they were disintegrating. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them out and give them to my daughter-in-law. That way she can maybe do something that's a covered space. And she doesn't put as many plants in. I think it might work a little bit better for her. But these are beautiful. I got these at Lowe's as well. They have a beautiful, you can see that design. I just love them. I have these exact pots in the backyard heading into the cut garden. So we'll get those nice and filled up soon. These were, the tag is not on there, these were $58, and these are heavy concrete. That to me was a pretty good price. So really everything up here, all these black ones, those are all concrete. The window plants, they're kind of a plaster, which I don't think they're gonna survive, but we'll see. But the only thing that is plastic is these ones that flank up this driveway. And I probably have one more, you know, full year, another summer, and probably next fall I'm gonna have to think of something different back here because these won't last very long. This is dead on sun for the majority of the day, and it's just a little too much, I think. So I hope you guys found this interesting and just kind of seeing what I'm getting ready to do. It's just, you know, here in Arizona, it's just a nice way that it's starting. It's not cold by any means, but it's starting to cool down, and I'm excited to get in the garden and get some new pots going, some fall pots, and just rearranging a little bit in the garden and just getting it ready. So I'm excited to share it with you guys, and I hope this was a little interesting to see kind of my processes and how I get going. So stay tuned because we will have more coming soon. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications and the all so that you're notified for all my videos. I so appreciate you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.